was amazing. I felt great. Like I've never been before because sometimes I'm being down, sometimes I be happy. But today was like an amazing day. I loved it.
It involved a lot of inspirational things and then also activities that related to inspiration, and then they used the activities to relate to life and personal power.
Today, it just, in my perspective, changed a lot because it seems like teamwork is just really where you grab like your strengths and the other person's strengths and you put them together to create something beautiful.
You lead up, you lead up, tú lideras.